Right, quick update on PancakeSwap. We are heading up again today. We're seeing more continuation. I'm really liking the setup of Cake. We're up 5% on the daily. I've been talking about this for the past week when we were down here at $7.50, and we also got into a trade on PancakeSwap when we were down here at $5.94. We were personally predicting this huge upswing. The last time we were calling for this trade, we were calling for a 67% move, and as you can see, that target has been hit. We have come back into it, so we're looking really good right now. What do I personally see next coming? So the last two videos also, when last week I told you I was accumulating more PancakeSwap, I told you I have a new price target, and that is up here at $14.55. We were predicting an 80% increase. If we zoom out to the higher time frames, you can actually see this is a rather conservative price target, drawing from PancakeSwap's previous all-time high to its low. You can see the first Fibonacci we run into is the 236. So it's not like I'm targeting something completely out of the blue, something completely unachievable. I'm targeting the first Fibonacci region. I think that is completely valid and, very conservative in my opinion. I think PancakeSwap is a great project and it's going to continue to grow. And what we're seeing right now is just a huge momentum shift back to the upside. I talked about this in my last couple of videos, but we're seeing an increase in volume in the macro time frames. Or not the macro time frames, really the midterm time frames. If I temporarily get rid of this micro fib, you can see we came back perfectly, back tested your 618 fib, and now we've broken through every single fib that's important. The only other region that we need to get above now is your 618 Fibonacci, which is why I'm giving you an update today. We are currently running into that region that I've been talking about, and I said this was the only region that I see getting in the way of our price target up here at $14.50. So like I said, we were predicting an 80% increase. We're already up 30%. There is only 50% left to go for this trade to the upside. Congratulations if you were in this trade with me. It has been a very nice increase over the past week or so. So what is changing right now? Well, the daily EMA ribbons are starting to converge heavily to the upside. That is very nice. On the 4-hourly, bulls are heavily taking control of this uptrend. I mean, this has been in the favor of the bulls for the past week now. We've completely not lost the momentum. In the past day or so, we're seeing a huge increase in volume. I really like to see this. And once again, if you're thinking of holding a PancakeSwap or a Cake token, bear in mind you can stake this for like 60 to 70% APY over on Binance. So it is a very nice trade in my opinion. There's good risk to reward ratio on this. I think the chart is very nice, and from a fundamental perspective, I think Cake is very overvalued. The all-time high is all the way up here at $45. If we were to have a ride up to the all-time high, you can see a return of over 3x, a 3.6x return to be precise. So I'm really liking the chart right now on PancakeSwap. I don't want to make this video super long. I did just want to give you an update letting you know that we are currently crashing into our 618 fib. But if we look at what Bitcoin's doing, Bitcoin on the lower time frames is seeing continuation. This is allowing enough momentum for PancakeSwap to keep on moving up. The 4-hourly EMAs have fired bullish on Bitcoin. We're above the daily EMAs as well. So I think Bitcoin's going to keep on Bitcoin is going to keep on increasing. This is going to allow the momentum to shift in the favor of the bulls for your altcoins. And as you can see, it looks like Cake is really having a throwdown with this 618 Fibonacci on it right now. We crashed into it last hour. I'll get this update as quick as I can because this is somewhat of an emergency video, although I know not many people watch my Cake videos. However, I do like the project, and even if they probably perform a lot worse than the other crypto videos that I do, I still like making these updates on Cake. I think Cake is a great and undervalued crypto in my opinion. So what happens if we see a breakout of this 618, which we are currently, pushing up for? Well, 969. Keep your eyes on that. If we have a 4-hourly push above it, but in terms of a macro perspective, I'd like to see a daily close, a back test, and then to keep on moving up. The last time we came up to here, we had a daily push, we came for a daily back test, we didn't hold it, and we fell through. So that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something like this, where it takes over 2-3 days to back test the region. Nonetheless, I am already in cake. My bags are packed. I'm not looking to accumulate any more cake rather, not ape. I'm not looking to accumulate any more cake at the moment. So as we're pushing above $9.69, I do have to assume that this price target is going to come into play very soon. We're predicting another 50% increase to the upside for PancakeSwap. That's all I've got for you for cake. Keep your eyes on 9.69. If we keep on pushing above it like we are doing now, we might be getting ready for a huge parabolic run. That is all I see for cake. Looking very nice, lower time frames and higher time frames. Bulls are in control of it all. That's all I've got for you. Once again, not financial advice. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, cowboy out. Peace.